Ajay, and my Instagram page is all about lifestyle, fashion, and beauty. So, what makes a woman beautiful? True beauty lies in the soul. It is the caring she lovingly gives and the passion she shows. When you have a perfect skin, then you are able to face the daily challenges with much more confidence. Skin is the most exposed part of the body and it is susceptible to the environmental factors most of the times as compared to the other body parts. And skin is not the same in all ages. Skin aging is a dynamic process and it is unavoidable. So now we know that skin aging is unavoidable. We cannot stop it, but we can delay it. So before proceeding to learn how to delay aging, we should know what is aging. Aging is a continuous degenerative process which involves skin as well as all the parts of the body. And we classify aging as extrinsic aging and intrinsic aging. And intrinsic aging mostly depends upon the genetic factors, so we are not able to control it. And extrinsic aging, it is the normal aging process influenced by external factors, and by these external factors I mean to say sun, which is number one factor of aging. Then our sleeping habits, eating habits, physical activities, gravity, sleeping habits, facial movements. So all these external factors influence the extrinsic aging. So our aim is to control the extrinsic aging and to have a healthy, glowing, youthful skin. Now coming to the signs of aging. So what are signs of aging? First of all, fine lines, wrinkles, dark pigmentation or hyperpigmentation, dark spots, blemishes. These all are the signs of aging. And as I've already told you, sun is the number one factor of causing these aging signs. So we all should wear a broad spectrum sunscreen every day with at least SPF 30. And here I'm revealing a gift for your skin, and that is retinol from a brand called Redussure. Redussure is known to manufacture high quality products, although they are paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free and high quality. What is retinol? Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A. It is a cosmeceutical, which means it is a cosmetic which also has medicinal properties. Retinols are proven to treat fine lines, wrinkles, acne, hyperpigmentation. It improves the skin texture as well as it prevents the acne from coming out. So now moving to the question and answers. So first of all, who can use retinol? So anybody, men or women, male or female, anybody can use it who is in her mid-20s or anybody who is having acne. Actually, its usage depends upon whether someone is using it for acne or someone is using it for aging. So if anybody is having any kind of blackheads, whiteheads on his face, so they can start using it. And if someone has reached his or her mid-20s, 23s, 24, 25 years of age, they can start using it for toning of this. So moving to the next question, how retinols treat acne? So retinols increases the cell production and as well as they increases the dead cell shredding. So in this way there is less clogging of pores and less acne. Now moving to the next question, how retinols helps in toning of the skin. So retinols increases the synthesis of the collagen as well as elastin, and on the same side they decreases the melanocytic activity. So in this way there is decrease in hyperpigmentation, and which is seen on the use of 2 to 3 months of retinol usage, and as well as there is decrease in fine lines, wrinkles, which also happens on a long-term use, but results shows up within 2 months of usage. Now moving to the next question, What is the proper way of using a retinol? So first of all, cleanse your face and neck with a cleanser. Then pat it dry. Then take the serum. Only pea-sized of serum is required. So take this serum on your fingertips and massage in the upward direction. After massaging, let it dry and then coat it with a retinol moisturizer. It is from the same brand Regissure, which is 2.5% retinol skin moisturizer with advanced anti-aging complex. It also has aloe vera and shea butter. Again, it is a paraben-free, cruelty-free vegan product. Again, take a pea-sized amount of this moisturizer. And massage in upward circular motions and let it dry. So what is the best time of applying retinols? As I have already told you, retinols should be used only at bedtime. And retinols usually increases the sun sensitivity. So when you are using retinols, always use a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 during the day. So next question is the side effects of the retinol. Yes, there are few side effects of the retinol and they are completely preventable. Retinols can cause skin irritation, redness, dryness, and sometimes you can see a few peeling of dry skin areas. So if such thing happens, you should not completely stop using them. You can use them alternatively, and using a good quality moisturizer, you can prevent all these side effects. And now this next question is for those having sensitive skin. So can a person with sensitive skin can use these retinols? Yes, absolutely. A person with a sensitive skin can absolutely use this, as retinols are the least potent form of vitamin A and they have the least side effects. The one thing persons with sensitive skin can do is using moisturizers with them and using a thin coat of these serums. So next question is about the usage of retinols with other serums like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. So this retinol already comes with a little bit of hyaluronic acid in it, which prevents the drying of the skin. And a person can use retinols at bedtime and vitamin C during the daytime. And whenever your skin feels a little bit dry, you can skip usage of retinol and can use Regissure hyaluronic acid for that day. And now you would be keen to know that for how long you should use these. So these are very safer and they can be used lifelong. You can use these for your whole life. Now moving to the last question of the day, and the question is, how much time will they take to show visible results? According to the clinical research data, retinols take 2 to 3 months to show visible results, but I prefer to use them for a longer period of time for better results. So this was all about today's video, and in the next video I'll be talking about alpha hydroxy acids and their usage, and I'll be recommending few products also. Till then, be healthy, घर पे रहो. In this time of COVID, you should stay at home and make skincare your hobby. And have a happy skin day. Bye bye. Stay tuned.